Nasiska! Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a major drama brewing between Amanda DuPont, Minnie Dlamini, and you've guessed it, Meg G. So, Minnie Dlamini recently dropped a bombshell. She's taking legal actions against Meg G and his controversial podcast and chill, for what she calls objectifying and degrading comments made about her. But here's where it gets juicier. Amanda DuPont immediately showed support, reposting Minnie Dlamini's statements and clapping back with this: "All you did was defend me." This behavior of disrespecting women is completely unacceptable. Way too comfortable with veil behavior towards women, drops Mike. This is not Meg G's first backlash. Remember when Amanda DuPont herself went head to head with him back in 2021 over the infamous Joop Joop interview? Looks like history is repeating itself, and it's not just with celebrities, even Parliament stepping in. Deputy Minister Mapaseka Litsiki has called out Meg G, smashing his show for promoting gender-based violence online. What do you guys think? Is Meg G finally being held accountable, or is cancel culture out of control? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Gulungelege.